Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use voice recorder on Android phone. Here are the steps to use the voice recorder app on an Android phone. First, unlock your phone. Turn on your Android device and unlock it. Find the voice recorder app. Look for an app named Voice Recorder, Sound Recorder, or similar. Open the app. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Give necessary permissions. If prompted, allow the app to access your microphone and storage. Tap the record button. Begin your recording by tapping the red record button. Speak clearly into the microphone. Hold the phone near your mouth and talk clearly for best quality. Pause if needed. Tap pause to temporarily stop without ending the session. Resume the recording. Tap resume by tapping the pause icon again to continue recording from where you left off. Tap stop to finish. When you're done, tap the stop button to end the recording. Name your recording. Tap on the three dots on the newly created voice, then hit rename. Enter a clear, descriptive name like lecture, May 14, or meeting notes. Save the recording. Tap save or rename, or it may save automatically depending on the app. Access or share your recording. View the file in the app's library. You can also share via email, messages, or cloud storage. Another tip, you can find your recordings later in My Files, Audio, or the app's Save Files location. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.